Sikkim Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang on Monday laid foundation stone for a mega ecotourism and pilgrimage complex with spiritual facilities at Dodak under Dharamdin constituency in West District. The complex will build in the concept of Sridham Vrindavan. The state government is initiating an ambitious ecotourism pilgrimage complex for promotion of Dorak as spiritual pilgrimage destination. It was informed that 10.78 acres for the project had been acquired and the detailed project report had also been prepared by the tourism department. The chief minister in his address said that under the previous Sikkim Democratic Front government, Vrindavan project was just a mere dream shown to the people. The SKM government committed to make it a reality. I, as a CM, I talk about concept and truth, not dreams and fantasy, assuring to fulfill all the promises made during the election campaign. The ACF government had announced multiple projects without allocating funds. We are working sincerely for the development of state, unlike the SDF government, which always made fake announcements near the election. Our development pace is in place even in time of pandemic, he said, appealing to people to follow SOP guidelines. The pace of development will now speed up in the state, he said. As chief minister, I do not have my specific district and village in mind. The whole of Sikkim is my district and village in terms of development, accusing the previous SDF government of leaving the health sector in a pathetic condition. He said, we are doing our best to really develop the health sector by giving it top priority. The primary health center at Sombaria under Dharamdin constituency would be upgraded, he said, adding rupees 5 crore had already been sanctioned under the Border Area Development Fund. He also spoke about the upcoming cancer hospital at Karfekta, promising to provide COVID-19 vaccine free to the people of Sikkim once the vaccine is available. He suggested that a ropeway could be built connecting Torak Sridham Vrindavan with Barse Ridheron Sanctuary, a popular tourist destination. The Science College at Chakhim near Soreng would be turned into a center of excellence. The Rambagh checkpost near Jorethang Naya Bazar would be open for entry of tourists directly from neighboring Darjeeling and other places to West Sikkim. He said the SKM government equally respected and honored all religions and communities. State Power Minister and Area MLA MN Sherpa is in his brief address said the Vrindavan Dham project was not just a pilgrimage center but would play an important role in the tourism sector of Sikkim. He highlighted various development initiatives and projects sanctioned for the Dharamdin constituency.